Hello and welcome to DataPig. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to convert text or letters into proper case. I have this small dataset of different states from USA, and you can see some of these states are in total capital letters and some of them are in small letters and some of them are in mixed case. So now I want to turn all of this into proper case. Proper case means the first letter will be always capital and rest of the letters will be in smaller case. Or every word in that text or phrase starts with a capital letter. To do so, we have a function called proper in Excel. To call a function in Excel, we need to type equal to and start typing proper and press tab to open the function and select the cell which you want to turn into proper case and close this function and hit enter. Now you can see that it has turned all of these capital letters and turned this state into a proper case. Now to copy this formula across all of the rest of the cells, just place your cursor at the bottom right of the cell where you can see this plus icon which is a fill handler. Now just double click. Or I'm pressing Ctrl Z to undo the action. To copy the formulas across the cells, just hold your left click and drag down across these different cells to copy down the formula. So we have converted all of these states into proper case, but the caveat here is some of the states have spaces before the state name or after the state name. So I want to remove these spaces. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first cell and I'm going to enclose this proper function within a function called trim. When you start typing this function trim, you can see a session called trim here, press tab, and we have just one parameter here, text, and I'm just going to close this function and hit enter. Select the cell and double click the fill handler, and now you can see there are no spaces anywhere within these words. So that's how we can convert any text into proper case, and also using trim function we can eliminate or remove spaces before and after the words. That's all folks, that's a quick tutorial on how to turn text into proper case. Please do subscribe to DataPeak for more Excel tutorials. Thanks.